Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips with the Qualtrics Experience community. Today, I will be walking you through the different ways you can randomize questions and blocks in your Qualtrics survey. By the end of this tip, you will understand how to use question randomization and how to use blocks and randomizers in your survey flow. Let's start with some basic definitions first. In short, blocks are sets of questions that are in your survey. The survey flow is where you can view all of the different elements in your survey and customize the survey experience for your respondents. A randomizer is an element in your survey flow that can be used to randomize other elements such as blocks, embedded data, and groups. Now that we understand the basics, let's begin by creating a block of questions and randomizing the questions within that block. By default, when you create a survey, you will have a default question block that contains an empty question. To create another block, simply click the Add Block text underneath your current block. You can change the name of any block by clicking on their current name on the top left and writing new text in that text box. After adding questions, if we click on the block we'd like to edit, we can use the block behavior section on the left-hand side to randomize the questions in that block. You can choose to have no randomization, randomize all of the questions, present a certain subset of questions, or customize the way you want to display your questions by using advanced randomization. Advanced randomization provides you with a lot of customization options, from having a fixed order of questions to selecting which questions will be randomized, creating subsets of questions to be randomly displayed, and even excluding certain questions and selecting the amount of questions displayed on each page. After making your selection, click Save and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at how to randomize blocks in the survey flow. First, let's head over to the survey flow and add a new randomizer element by clicking the text Add a New Element here and choosing the randomizer option. Once the randomizer element has been added, we will want to hover over the move text on the blocks we wish to randomize and click and drag them underneath the randomizer. After moving the elements under the randomizer, we can choose how many of the elements we wish to display and if we want to evenly present these elements. This option allows us to choose if we want every element under the randomizer presented an equal number of times. After you finish making your changes in your survey flow, make sure you click Apply so all of your changes are saved. Thank you for learning about question and block randomization with me today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or make a post on the Qualtrics Experience community. I hope to see you there.